Hello, everybody. How you doing? As you know, my name is Richina Millage. I'm a board certified nurse practitioner, the owner of Lalit Medi Spa and Lalit Medi Spa and Wellness BK, and I am the expert on health, wellness, healthy aging, and disease prevention. Okay, so as you guys, some of you may know, I'm a breast cancer survivor, and the services that we offer at the Medi Spa, they're very big on health and wellness. I live health and wellness. These are the services that helped me on my journey coming back from hell after enduring chemo, radiation, and surgery. These are the services that built me back up and helped me look good and really embrace beauty from the inside out. So I started sharing it with the world because it did such a great job with me, and on a daily basis, I'm helping people live healthier lives, and I really am saving lives on a different level. I used to be an ER, ICU nurse, save lives on that level, but I really am helping people now just embrace their beauty and really build their self-esteem and just feel good and have an increased quality of life. So today we're going to talk about a different subject in regards to men. So last week we talked about women and hormone replacement. This week we're going to talk about men and hormone replacement. Now I know some men may feel, oh, I'm good, I can perform well in the bed, my hormones are great. Yeah, that's great. But if you're over age of 35, your hormones are starting to decrease, okay? So what do you experience? You might not always experience sexual problems. I have two sides to this coin. On one hand, I have some men that rush in the door because they are having sexual dysfunction. They're not getting aroused the way they used to. They don't have that sexual desire like they used to. Their ejaculations are not the same. Sometimes they don't ejaculate, or sometimes they have problems getting erect on demand. So those are the men that come running in because they know that something's wrong. They're starting to experience the sexual problems. Then I have men on the other hand that are like, you know what, I'm good. I perform in the bed. I make the ladies happy or my significant others happy. I'm fine. But with those men, my big worry is your hormones are still decreasing down if you're over the age of 35. And what we don't realize is testosterone is a huge, huge protector of your heart from heart disease, your brain from Alzheimer's, and your bone from bone disease. Now, we have people that, and you guys probably can relate, we've had a slew of people that they work out, they eat well, and they're dropping dead from heart disease, heart attacks, or they're enduring heart disease, heart attacks. Yes, it's due to lifestyle sometimes, but a lot of times that foundation is their hormones are decreasing. So even if you are performing well, if you're over the age of 35, your hormones are starting to decrease. And we want to protect your heart from heart disease. Testosterone's huge and major protector of your heart. So it's very important that we look at your levels and see what you are. And I always put people to the test. I say, let's just come in, let's draw your blood, let's see where you're at. If you're good, I'm going to give you a pat on the back, tell you keep up what you're doing, and you're going to go about your business. Now, I can tell you there haven't been any men over the age of 40 that have walked through the doors and called my bluff and took their blood work and seen that their levels were where they're supposed to be. We look at optimizing your blood because we want to keep you healthy as well as we want you to be able to perform. So let's talk a little bit about testosterone. So as I said, testosterone is a male hormone. We need it, women as well as men, but men need a lot more than us. So even though you can perform on the bed, if you're experiencing depressive symptoms, anxiety symptoms, mood changes, we as women say men start to get their period when they get older because their mood starts to swing. They start getting irritable. That's not that they're getting their period. That means their hormones are decreasing. And so now testosterone's a huge mood stabilizer. So now their mood isn't as stabilized as it used to be. If you're feeling like you have lack of energy, you're feeling like you're gaining weight, and no matter how much you work out, no matter how well you eat, you still are gaining that weight, and it's usually here in that belly area. So we see our men with our big bellies. Yeah, it's not always that you're drinking beer or that you're eating all bad things. It's also the lack of hormones, testosterone specifically, is decreasing your human growth hormone, and that helps us burn fat and increase lean muscle. So that's why you're not losing the weight like you used to lose when you used to go to the gym and used to work out. So testosterone, it helps with a lot of different things. We also experience men having lack of energy, so they really don't feel like they used to feel when they're able to get up, they're able to do all the things that they need to do. It also happens, men start to experience mental fogginess. So that means we're not firing on all cylinders, or we're forgetting things, or we just don't feel like we're on our A game all the time. And that's due to your hormone levels decreasing. So it's not just that you can't perform in the bed, it's, anxiety, depression, it's, lack of energy, it's mental fogginess, it's that weight gain around this area that we really can't get rid of. And even when we go to the gyms, we're not getting that nice workout body the way we used to. That means you got to come to us, we got to test your blood, and we need to see where your hormones are at. So how do we do this? What are the steps? The steps are, you simply come into the spa, we do a wellness consultation, which includes blood work, because this is not one size fits all. We do not give every man or every female the same amount of hormones. So we draw your blood work. When we draw your blood work, the proof is in the pudding. We'll see what your levels are, we'll see what you need, and then we get your individualized treatment plan of what you need in regards to balancing your hormones. Now, people might say, well, I heard about you can get a shot for hormones. When you get a shot for hormones, that's synthetic testosterone. Now, synthetic testosterone is a no-no for all of us. Synthetic testosterone is a no-no because what it does is it thickens your blood. When it thickens your blood, it puts you at risk for a stroke because you can throw a clot at any point. So what do medical professionals tell you to do when you're taking synthetic testosterone? They tell you to go blood dump. That means that you have to go donate your blood at a blood donor center because your blood is too thick. Now, if I'm taking something that's good for me, I shouldn't have to throw away my blood to make it right. Okay. So, and my biggest issue is that it puts you at risk for stroke, and we suffer, especially minority men suffer from strokes and, clots. So we definitely want to make sure that we're not taking that. The hormone replacement we do is natural. It does not thicken your blood. You do not have to blood dump. You do not have to donate your blood. And we do pellets right here in your glute fat. So I know everybody runs away. Nothing goes up your butt. It's only in your glute fat. And it lasts for 6 months for men. Where synthetic testosterone, you have to get shots once a week or you have to get it twice a month. So you're sticking yourself with the needle, giving yourself synthetic testosterone once or twice a month, okay? Once a week, or twice a month. Now, with this pellet therapy, it lasts for 6 months. Yes, I said 6 months. So it lasts half a year. So men only have to get testosterone, natural testosterone replacement twice a year. Okay, and it makes you feel amazing throughout the full year. So it gets rid of that anxiety, gets rid of that depression. You're performing very well in the bed and you feel great. You have energy, you're losing the weight, you're getting that bedroom body back, you're feeling good. All right, so quick, easy step. Book your wellness consultation. We do the consultation, and then from there we draw your blood work, we analyze it, then we find out the right dosage for you. Now, the other question that I get a lot is, well, if I'm already on synthetic hormones, can I transition? Yes. We transition men all the time, and we do it because they want a healthier life, and it works very well. We're able to actually maintain your levels better than when you were taking synthetic testosterone shots. Okay, so if you don't remember anything else on this, natural hormone replacement, book your appointment with us. We'll do a consultation and then we'll figure out what you need, because we're here to help you live healthier lives, feel good, look good, and live a long life with an increased quality of life. Okay, so you guys can reach us at LeliteMediSpa.com. That's our website, as well as make sure you follow us on Instagram, TikTok, social media, Facebook, because we're going to be doing a lot more of these chats with Richina, because I am the expert on healthy aging, disease prevention, health and wellness, and really embracing beauty from the inside out. Have a great day.